Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings and going straight to Display and Brightness. This is the only consistent path to night shift. Once in Display and Brightness, scan down for night shift. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated because older builds hide options. Now tap Night Shift to open the control panel where you'll toggle and schedule the feature. Don't pause. This direct route avoids control center shortcuts and ensures you access color temperature and scheduling in one place. Once inside Night Shift, choose whether you want it on immediately or scheduled. Tap Manually Enable until tomorrow for an instant switch, or Enable Scheduled and pick a custom time range, or select Sunset to Sunrise to match local sunset data. Then move the color temperature slider toward warmer to reduce blue light. Slight shifts are enough to change sleep impact. Make sure to confirm the start and end times, if scheduled. Night Shift will activate automatically at your chosen hours. After setting schedule and temperature, confirm by closing settings and testing the effect. Toggle Manually Enable or wait for the scheduled time to see the screen shift. If it doesn't change, restart your phone and check date and time is set automatically. Incorrect time breaks scheduling. If Night Shift is still missing, update iOS or reset display and brightness settings, and as a last step, restart again. That fix resolves most issues. If not, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.